Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Coinbase Wallet using on-chain transfers, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase Wallet app. Ensure you are logged into your account. Navigate to the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Tap the Send button. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check the address for accuracy. Input the amount you want to send. Review any fees associated with the transaction. If everything looks correct, tap on Next. Confirm the transaction details. Authenticate the transaction using your security measures. Wait for the transaction to process. You can view the transaction status in the Activity tab. Once confirmed, your funds will be transferred to the recipient's wallet. If you need to withdraw to a centralized exchange, follow their specific deposit instructions. Monitor your wallet balance for confirmation of the withdrawal. You have successfully withdrawn from your Coinbase wallet using on-chain transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.